Good morning. My name is Hakimi Aimullah bin Nazri. Today I will present about principle of fuel cell energy. Introduction. Fuel cells are devices that can convert electrochemical energy very efficiently and can generate electricity and produce heat with the help of catalysts. Fuel cell technology is becoming increasingly popular power generation and automotive application. Advantages include low fuel emissions and high efficiency as it's shown in the table below. The most common fuel used in a fuel cell is hydrogen. Basics. The basic principles of a fuel cell are similar with those of electrochemical batteries. The big difference is that in the case of the batteries, the chemical energy is stored in substance located inside them. So when the energy has been converted to electrical energy, the battery must be thrown away or recharged appropriately. In a fuel cell, the chemical energy is provided by a fuel and an oxidant store outside the cell in which the chemical reactions take place. As long as the cell is supplied with fuel and oxidant, electrical power can be obtained. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning to my teacher and my fellow friend. Okay, today I explain about operation principle. Electrolysis is the process whereby applying electric power water in decompose into the gas component oxygen and hydrogen. The fuel cell reverse the aforementioned process and take essentially there to substance and convert them to water again. In theory, the same amount of energy which has been used. Further electrolysis is set free by this conversion. In practice, insignificant losses are caused by different physical chemistry process. 2H2 plus O2 equal to H2O liquid plus energy. So to say electric power is stored in hydrogen. Therefore, we have hydrogen at our disposal in which electric power can be stored. In fuel cell, we get back the electric power stored in the hydrogen. Most fuel cells are operating with air, so there is no need to store oxygen. This for picture for electrolysis energy where anode to cathode hydrogen and oxygen in one store. This for energy production for fuel cell, hydrogen and air and equal to energy and heat. Okay, thank you. I pass to next, my friends.
Okay, my name is Novares Fadlin bin Ojeli Toto, and I will resume the presentation. So the basic construction of fuel cell have a very simple structure as is shown in the following pictures. A typical fuel cell consists of three parts: the anode side of low charge plate, the membrane electrode assembly (MEA), and the cathode flow channel plate. Anode and cathode are served as catalysts. The mid layer consists of a carrier structure which absorbs the electrode. In different type of fuel cell, different substances are used as electrolyte. Some electrolytes are liquid and some are solid with a membrane structure. The MEA is a key component of a fuel cell. For the proton exchange membrane PEM, fuel cell is composed of a proton-conducting polymer sandwiched in between two fuel cell electrolytes. The anode, where hydrogen is oxidized, and the cathode, where oxygen from the air is reduced. The flow channel plate normally has a small slot or labyrinth-style passageway to guide the gas into the fuel cell and maximize gas diffusion to the electrode for reaction take place. A hydrogen fuel cell only produces about 1 volt of electricity. To increase the power output of the fuel cell, hundreds of identical flow channel plates and MEA are stacked next to each other and form a fuel cell stack. In a fuel cell stack, both sides of each flow channel plate has slot or flow channel to reduce the size and weight of the stack. The plate is now called bipolar plate. One side of the plate is next to the anode of a fuel cell, while the other side is next to the cathode of the neighboring fuel cell. This is the main part of the fuel cell. Okay, we have reached the end of the presentation. Uh, Thanks for watching.